Hello and welcome. Today's video is a little bit different. I have an exciting announcement about something special that I've put together just for you. Hi, my name is Tiffany and I'm here to guide you on the journey to the keto lifestyle. Let's get started. So, what is this that you have for us, you ask? Well, for those of you who, and there are many of you, who are saying, just tell me exactly what to do. Just tell me exactly what foods to buy. Just tell me exactly what foods to eat. Just tell me exactly with no, fluff and no, guesswork involved. Just tell me straight out what to do. I have created a list of 150, actually there's a little bit over 150, but approximately a list of 150 keto-friendly foods that you can buy at your local grocery store. So I've put the link in the comments, totally free. All you have to do is click the link and you will get that download completely free, my gift to you. And I have a lot more exciting things that I'm working on that are coming. So definitely stay tuned and, definitely grab this list, and you can either print it out and then take it to the grocery store with you, or you can just, have it downloaded to your phone and take your phone with you and look at the list on your phone while you're at the grocery store. It couldn't make your grocery shopping for keto-friendly foods any easier. This is what you've been asking for. Just tell me what foods to get. Just tell me what foods to buy, and I'll buy them and I'll eat them. Well, here it is. So I hope you enjoy it. I certainly would love for you to leave me feedback on it down below. And as always, please like and subscribe so that you will be notified anytime that any of my videos are newly uploaded, so that you won't miss out on any keto-friendly information that I have for you. So, as always, stay strong and keto on.